how to get a free domain. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. And in today's video, let's discuss about free domains. Now, when you search free domains in Google, you will see all kinds of platforms that are actually selling different domains saying free domain name, free domain, stuff like that. But unfortunately, there is no such thing as a free domain. Everything in the internet right now, especially domains, are going to be paid. There are no free domain that you're going to find. So I wish this video would help you understand that domains are something that are not free. So if ever there's a platform out there, there's definitely a catch or a scam. What you could do alternatively is to look for platforms that are going to allow you to create subdomains. In Hostinger, they have subdomains available for us to use, or depending on what website builder you're using, such as Wix, WordPress, Google Site, any of those platforms actually offers a free subdomain that you could use to access your website. So if you're sticking for, or if you want to keep it free or not spend anything, you could simply settle with the subdomains provided by your different website builder. And if you're willing to spend later on along the road, that is when you could now go visit Hostinger, GoDaddy, or your those different domain selling platforms. So the key point is there is no free domain available in the internet. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.